Yo, what's going on, guys? Purple Cup again with another video, man. You already know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Go ahead and show some love with a thumbs up at the end of the video, man, or midway, however the fuck you want to do it. I appreciate the love. Appreciate all the subscribers, by the way. And I'm thankful that y'all tap in. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, we are back with Mr. Jacob. You know, I'm gonna call him Bird. You know the damn deal. Anyways, man, I like to fuck with y'all. Anyways, hey, man, we got to lock in because guess what? We got us a charger again. All right? You know what I'm saying? I don't condone any of y'all running from the laws, street racing, doing anything illegal. All right? You know what I'm saying? Your life matters. Other people on the road's life matter when you make these decisions. And also the troopers' lives matter because they put their lives in danger for chasing your dumb ass. When I say your dumb ass, not you, unless you actually gonna do it. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get in this video, man. And let's see how it goes down. You know what I'm saying? If you can't step on that thing, you can't drive that thing, man. Just go ahead and pull over and do the right thing, because that's the best thing to do. Alright, so let's see how this starts out. We got a charger. So he in town. He ain't on the highway right now. Okay. We're going into this part, but why did he turn around? Was it because it was a charger? He said, that's gonna be my next victim. You see? I don't know how he just decided to turn around and he seen a charger. He said, I want it. You know what I'm saying? That's a scat. That's a scat. You see the emblem? I'm still kind of like, why did you turn around? Like, I don't understand that. He already turned his lights on.
Out of 46. Guys, break the 4 minutes still.
Ooh. You stepped on that thing, didn't you? Okay. Let's get into some action. My. I mean, I guess you picked the one that you knew that was gonna run from your ass, right?
Boys, turn in east. Turn west on Belleville Pike, headed toward the university. He's going the wrong way on the university.
Wrong way.
University.
Shoot. See what I'm talking about?
Hands!
Don't you move. University of Mapleville Pike. University of Mapleville Pike.
It's on my way.
University of Mapleville Pike.
Stand up now!
Get my gun. It's on my
I
way.
don't care where your gun is. Stand up! I'm grabbing the gun.
It's a tough guy there, huh?
Hey, Tim, make sure my car's not over here.
Said, I don't care.
Come do it.
Guess what? You barefooted. You may not care either.
Pick up my parents. They're gonna
Nope.
pick up my son.
Nope, don't care.
Hey, why you even put me over? You should not got behind me.
That's true. But why the fuck you run?
My cannon. Why you get behind me?
Why'd you run?
Like, you didn't have no reason to turn the light on me. No reason to.
You just kind of
I'm with you on that part.
Hey, you come up, I gotta take my son up.
Sit down.
My son, my phone. Hey, can you put it a little bit more down?
He in my car.
You fucked your shit up. He did not give you a chance at all.
Over here. Yeah.
He's mad as fuck.
Yeah, but why he get behind me? Yeah, I'm alright. The thing is, I was not doing nothing. I'm on my way to pick my son up.
Yeah.
I knew he was on there.
I knew he was up down the street. I looked on the
But I
map.
knew my son, I was gonna go. I got my phone. My son was at school. I was on my way to pick my son up.
Is he good? Because they're wanting to know if he's
I'm good.
Yeah, he's good. I was checking. Yeah. Both of y'all good?
I gotta count my
Both of y'all good?
Yes, but why did he get behind me, bro? He didn't have no reason to get behind me. Hey, I'm listening.
And then I can transport him, yeah. Get all that done. I need to run.
Nobody hurt, no damage, no damage.
My ears got damaged where
God dang.
Since when has your mom been so carefree?
I'm poor, man. I ain't finna play for this. I'm looking at shit. No ads.
Hey, sir. My son.
Son in the car? No, they're just looking for drugs, see if they find anything, see if that's the reason why he was running. There's a snake in my boot. You know what I'm saying? They were looking in the boots. I mean, did he have the light switch on his fucking gun or something?
Mine should be good. Yeah, mine should be good. There's the one over there.
But see, it's crazy. I don't know what day it was. I had a whole cop behind me. He didn't pull me over. Bro, I was coming down Garden Springs. He was coming out Fort Bay. I'm like, no, I'm just saying. No. I'm listening to you.
I didn't get to the glove box. No, I'm thinking about it. Let me go check the glove box.
This was a beast, though. Trooper.
You got sorry. We got 30. Yeah, we got 30. Yeah. We got 30. I thought you got light. I got you. Yeah, I got you. Oh, yeah, man. No light.
Car's insured. I hope so.
What you running for, boss? I just have the reason to get behind me. Well, doesn't give you the right to drive fast like that. Nah, but I got tickets. I ain't gonna lie to you. You got warrants, so that's why. No warrants, tickets. Just tickets? But really? I understand you're doing your job, but it's like, it was kind of weird, because I'm on my way to pick my son up, you know? And I still gotta
You
call.
won't pick him up today?
I know. I need to call somebody to pick him up. He goes to, I don't know, my phone is somewhere right there.
What's the siren on the car for?
The what? Oh, I don't know, I just put it on there.
You just put it on there?
Yeah. I got it from Amazon.
You got it from Amazon?
Yeah. Like, I'm coming down Garden Springs, he's turning. He just did that U-turn.
Obviously, you can see that there's a bunch of us. We're working this area.
I know, but why? Get behind me. Well, I was not doing
Well,
nothing.
then why would
I heard you rip past our other stop. I don't want to hear that.
The what?
I heard you rip past our other traffic stop.
What was the traffic stop?
Exactly. You didn't even see it.
I came down this way.
No, you didn't.
I swear to God, I was coming down this way.
You what? All right, I sent you both the 28 and 29.
Okay, will you once they get here and pull my bumper, if I can drive it, I'll drive it, back it back down, make sure I'm good. Then we'll just transfer.
I got you.
Thank you very much. Appreciate you guys.
The famous trooper right there.
You know, I think it's gonna go here, right? And I ain't that shit did. I turned at the light right away.
14.
Louisville has possession of vehicle on tonight. I don't think anybody There's a long way to...
Oh, yeah. Well, criminal, no. Traffic, yes.
Traffic.
Yeah, just traffic.
All right. He said he had some traffic.
Yeah, I ran him, but I didn't have time to fully look at his stuff. I stopped. When did I stop? How long ago was that? 23. In the same car. Container, what was the warning for? Speeding. So I stopped for speeding, had open container, and no deal.
Yeah. That's good.
Well, that's a motherfucking wrap. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you can't drive that thing. I mean, you can step on that thing, but you can't drive that thing, man. Just go ahead and pull over. Oh boy, was heated. I mean, I feel you on that part. I'm not even gonna argue. I feel like that was kind of like a whole ass move, mark ass move, whatever the fuck you want to call it. But like, right here. Old dude is driving. He don't have front plates, so when he said he ran his plates, and I mean, you picked the right one that you knew that was gonna run. But the crazy part about it, you couldn't read his plates. I'm not a judge. I'm not here to argue about it, but I feel like you was just picking. Like, I want that Charger. I mean, you did your thing. I mean, old dude didn't do his thing, you know, and hopefully old dude, when he gets out, I mean, he gets back on his feet. He said his shit was insured. I hope your shit's insured, because if you decide to do some bullshit like this, you're kind of covered partially. But I mean, shit, that shit's gonna rack up. That shit ain't gonna be cheap, you know what I'm saying? Because then you're gonna have the court fees, then you're gonna have all the bond fees, you know what I'm saying? It's a whole lot of shit. You know what I'm saying? Just take the fucking ticket, man. It's less money. But if you got cuckoo money like that, I guess, I mean, do whatever the fuck you want to do. Do it at your free will. Anyways, man, remember, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Appreciate it if y'all actually got this far. Thank y'all for the love. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And for my subscribers, man, much love, man. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. You know what I'm saying?